Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you guys my everyday eyebrow routine. I've gotten many comments and DMs wanting me to do an eyebrow tutorial, but I've never done one because I've never felt like I've fully mastered my eyebrows enough to be sharing a tutorial with you guys. More recently, I started using eyebrow pencils and I've been loving them, and I recently found the elfcosmetic eyebrow pencil and I'm completely shocked by it. I really like it and that's what I'm going to be using today. I feel like it's perfect for an everyday eyebrow routine. In my opinion, for an everyday eyebrow look, it's something fast and easy, and I definitely feel like you can achieve that with an eyebrow pencil rather than an eyebrow pomade. An eyebrow pomade seems to take a little bit longer for me. So I am going to be walking you through step by step of my everyday eyebrow routine. But before we start the video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you. Also, go ahead and make sure you have your post notifications turned on so you are notified every time I upload a video. Today I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Cosmetics brow pencil in Auburn. I believe this brow pencil retails for $2. I really love this brow pencil. I've used Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencils in the past, and honestly I like this one just as much, and it's only $2 instead of $20. The first thing I'm going to be doing is cleaning up around my eyebrows, and I'm going to be using this shaver to clean up some of the random hairs. This shaver can also be used for removing dead skin. I mostly use this shaver for between my eyebrows, but I also do run it across the top portion of my eyebrows as well. This shaver is also great for removing tiny hairs you cannot pick up with the tweezers. Now I am going to be taking some tweezers and I'm going to be reshaping my eyebrows. I normally do this about once a week. I'm just going to be going in and plucking all the random hairs. When reshaping my brows, I follow the natural line of where my brows are. I also remove the random hairs so my brows have more of an arch. I believe removing hairs and reshaping your eyebrows will make doing your eyebrows way easier. Brow products will apply better, and of course your eyebrows will look way better overall. The first step, I'm going to be taking the spoolie and brushing all of the hairs up. Once all the hairs are out of the way, I'm going to be drawing a line all along the underneath of my eyebrow. I drew a line all the way from the middle of my eyebrow to the wing of where my eyebrow is. Taking a spoolie again, I'm going to be brushing all of the hairs down. I'm going to be drawing a line all along the top of my brows. I'm going to be starting that line a little over halfway across my brows. The reason I'm not going to be drawing a line all the way over my whole brow is because I want this to be more natural and have an ombre effect. So I'm going to be leaving the inner portion of my eyebrow with no product on it. Now I'm just going to be taking my spoolie and blending out that harsh line. I'm also going to be going back in with the brow pencil and drawing some light little lines to look like hairs to give the ombre effect on the inner portion of my eye, and then I'm going to be going back in with the spoolie and just blending everything out more. Now I'm just going to be repeating the same steps to my other eyebrow, first starting with brushing all the hairs up and then drawing a line all along the underneath of my brow. Now I'm just going to be brushing the hairs down. And I'm going to be drawing the line along the top of the brow. As you can see, I do draw on more of an arch than I actually naturally have. And I'm just going to be filling it in and blending everything with the spoolie. Again, I'm going to be blending out that harsh line and drawing some little hair-like lines on the inner portion of my brow. Now I'm just going to be making sure my eyebrows are even and that one wing is not longer than the other. And here's the final look of my everyday eyebrows. Okay guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. I hope this video has helped you to be able to achieve perfect eyebrows. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and I'll see you in my next video.